What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Honestly Bad. Today we got something a little different. Today I am going to my buddy's house. We are pulling the 6.0 out of his Chevy 2500HD because it has some pretty bad rod knock. So today the three of us are going to attempt to pull the engine out of his truck. I am not one of those people who know a lot about this stuff, so I go over there a lot to actually learn how to do this stuff and watch them do it, and it's pretty entertaining. Usually I don't do much and they just make fun of me for it and I buy them food, but it sounds like today I might actually get some work. Bringing this camera, hopefully the video behind me is done rendering by the time I'm ready to leave, because I want to take the GoPro to get a time lapse of us doing it, which I think would be pretty cool. I'm going to try and do that, see how it works, because when I start projects myself I want to be able to do those time lapses, but I only have one SD card, and instead of actually moving the files onto my computer, I just edit the video and render it through my SD card. So that means I have to wait for the video to finish rendering, which, if you can't see, still have a whole hour. This is the Tennessee vlog. It should be out, which it will be out. So go ahead, click the link right there. Check out the Tennessee vlog. We go tubing. It's small. It was fun, but go check that out. It's not car related, but if you want to get a little more glimpse of my little tiny family, there's that. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get some drinks and stuff for us because it's a little hot today. And yeah, hopefully I see you guys at my buddy's house.
This is Snap-on?
You have money?
His dad. No, not owning this thing. I don't have any fucking money.
Obviously, you gotta fucking take the engine out now. You owe me this content.
Fuck me, dude.
So you gotta practically take everything off?
We're gonna try and keep it as complete as we can. I'll have to just rip it all out together.
Nice.
That's fine.
Look at that stand still.
Prime engine. Bolt the intake. Here, take these. One more bolt.
Oh, it looks like a recipe. That's pretty cool.
Sorry, air filter.
Nice.
Oh, we're still stuck in something. The clip, I just pulled it off. Yeah. We gotta pull the knock sensors out first.
I got some of Pez's ass crack in that one.
Is there a special tool for these plugs?
Yeah, 22 more.
No, for the not the plugs. Never mind, they just pull out.
They'll probably break.
Nope, they pulled out without breaking.
Look how dirty those insert tools are.
It's a brand new window. Yeah. It was cracked when I bought it.
I swear to God, if I spend every fucking day off with you guys. Well, this is a better video than what I was going to make anyway.
What? Porno?
No, that one's on Saturday night.
You make more money.
I put the notch sensors on the things.
Okay. You didn't start this thing for very long, but it's warm.
How many miles on the block?
225, as far as I know.
Well, 6 whole blocks are pretty cheap if you just buy a block. Oh,
Cheap compared to a 2J.
yeah. I remember, the only thing I look at is JDM shit.
Garbage.
I mean, this is the second time you had to pull the motor on this, right?
The first time is because he's a fucking idiot.
That was a mutual decision.
Yeah. Between you, who? You and Coleman?
Everybody.
Yikes. Is that including Benet by chance?
Nah, couldn't have any say.
Yeah, I think we were on like Christmas break or something.
We called Coleman the other day.
Did you ask him?
Yesterday.
Did he answer?
Yeah.
What'd he say?
We called him to ask him about the Riviera. Because the distributor's in the front, we didn't know if we had to set timing differently. So we called him and asked him about that.
Oh, nice. Do you have to set the timing differently?
Well, on a small block Chevy where the distributor's back there, you point it like this towards cylinder number 1, and the distributor's up here on the Riviera. So we didn't know if you still pointed it like this, or if you pointed it at number 1.
Oh,
You
okay.
pointed at number 1.
Pretty lit. It's like my favorite thing.
What's
Impact.
it called? Is it just these bolts like the
No idea.
Didn't we pull one at the junkyard? I think there's more underneath.
Yeah, probably. Sounds about right. And there's 6 bolts on this water pump.
Yeah, I think you have to pull the pulley because that's how it was on that GMC I had.
Nah.
Yeah.
We didn't have to pull the pulley at the junkyard, so.
Okay. Yeah, press the button.
I'll do that again. Is one of these a swivel 15?
No, they're all standard.
Fucking stupid sizes.
What?
Why do we always work in the bay farthest from the toolbox?
You thirsty, boy?
Yeah. Dude, remember when you pressure washed that fucking cross member thing?
Yeah.
And it's fucking dirty already because your truck leaks oil like a sieve? Doesn't ride the coolant coming out. I think that's the last book, bud. That's a heavy water pump.
It's aluminium.
Aluminium.
This kid, he took the water pump out.
Performance, Chevy! Oh!
Aluminum does not mean performance.
I mean, it is a 6-0.
Thank you.
I'm helping.
It's gonna fall.
Yeah, I got it.
Did it come
Yeah.
off?
There might be one more.
Yeah, there's one more somewhere.
Looks
Did
like
you get this one?
Yeah.
towards the power steering.
There's one on.
Towards the power steering.
Yeah, it's on the side of the block. I can get to it here.
Willing to get my fat ass camera dirty just for videos. Yeah. Having fun, Nick?
What?
Having fun?
No.
Yeah. Guys gonna be like, oh, I'll marry you and give you half my money.
Sam.
Oh fuck! This whole video is just gonna be music at this point.
Nah, you can leave that one in. Fuck Tyson.
I'll just leave the Tyson's Ascent part in there.
Yeah, but that mount. Go down like a
Turn this whole fucking mount off. It's only 4 volts.
Alright, cool.
Oh, that head gasket was definitely on upside down.
Yeah, I hate. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not gonna clear. Like I said, we fucking cheat her.
If you, yeah, if you cheat her,
You're on the wood.
I know.
just careful of that wire. The wire on the wood. You should be fine now. Cleared the wire.
Yeah.
You'll make it.
Alright.
Hey, hey! See out, boys.
Really high up. That's a lot of motor, really high up. Oh, that's there.
Oh yeah,
The bar.
Going to Menards.
no, take this guy's trailer. The trailer there.
Random Menards for both. For the fucking, what is it called? The stand.
I ate 2 burgers.
Don't think this is going to be big enough. So we filled a little bit. So we're going to put that LS onto this stand. And then put that one onto that stand. Yeah.
That like
This, the engine is going into this car. Wow.
another one.
Oh yeah.
Hi, coolant.
That's nice.
Look, that's cleaning your garage floor.
That's real nice.
Could be worse. Could be oil.
You never drained the oil out of this thing.
No, I didn't. Probably the easiest time to do it is right now. But not a stand. Well, probably actually right now. Stand to be in the way.
I wish he'd just wake up right now. We're good.
I was gonna say just do the tire and put choice in there.
Should I pull this flex plate off? Probably.
Yes, we will not be able to turn it over.
Yeah. From this view, it looks like he's trying to like fuck it.
Nice. Isn't that pulling all the threads out? That's nice.
Good thing you're getting a new crank.
Wait, no, it didn't. What did it pull out?
Should we put Loctite on there?
No,
No,
you're
there's
supposed
like
to.
sleeves or something. You see that?
Oh yeah. Oh wait, that looks like anti-seize.
No, it's like a whole
Oh,
ass
no, I see
sleeve.
it. Yeah, wow. Huh. Well, those bolts are never coming out.
I mean, I guess I don't have to. Holds them in there.
What a shithead design.
No holds yet.
Do I take these little trays out?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can this shoe like not be untied, please?
Anybody know where that magnet is at?
It was on the ground.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I picked it up.
It was right where Tula's shoe is.
Ripperoni. Oh.
Expert technique. These don't matter what side they go on.
Think anyone's gonna roast us in the comments about doing this?
Probably. Like, oh, you're not supposed to use power tools.
Well, we're definitely not the first people on YouTube to use power tools on a fucking LS.
Are those strap on?
That's nice. You could just fucking use a pair of pliers to pull those out.
You really do it on any lifter.
Well, the Benet way would be to turn the engine upside down and let them all fall out.
That's not how you keep your Datsun running. Datsun don't even have lifters, do they?
No, they don't. They're overhead cams, I think.
Roll it.
You can see the difference in Pez and Nick. Pez did that nice and clean with a towel, and Nick is just fucking going
Well, he
for
took
it.
the towel. I was gonna put him on the towel.
Excuses.
You mean towel, bitch? I'll put him on the towel.
Pez, how many engines have you rebuilt?
Too many.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Probably close to 10.
Chocolate fingers.
I think Pez is ready to go home.
Is blue gas the same shit?
Propane, it doesn't burn as hot.
Fucking empty either way, so.
Advanced one?
Another one.
Another one. No, we haven't went to advanced yet. I don't think Menards counts.
Well, we
Is
still
that
went
what you
there.
went and got?
No.
We got
We didn't get
bolts.
bolts and we didn't even use them. So they're too small.
What is that?
8mm socket.
Oh,
Snapped it right off.
what uses an 8mm?
Yeah.
Really? Is it coming?
If you need water,
What about water?
I brought water in a cooler.
Little case over there.
Yeah, no, in the cooler.
Coming? Huh?
Or it broke.
Left the camera here.
I told.
Oh,
Tyson
okay.
did.
You can go on the. All the rods are fine.
Oh, they're all fine?
Yeah.
Cool.
No, not cool.
Why?
Because that means that's fucked.
Oh.
I mean, something else is dick.
I really don't think that these look this bad. I know it's normal wear, but I don't think they looked that bad last time you pulled the bearings.
They definitely look like that. Fuck my boot!
And the block.
Oh, fuck the block.
And the
What
floor.
color should he paint the block?
Black?
I said orange.
What color do you think that this idiot said that he wants to paint?
Black?
No.
White.
That'd be pretty sick, huh?
And then I told him he should ceramic coat it. And
I'm
he
gonna
sounded
paint match
excited.
it to my truck.
Typical paint match.
Honestly, that'd be pretty cool.
Block and the rest of your engine bay looks like that.
I'm gonna fucking clean it, okay?
Are you?
Yeah. I'm actually gonna wipe down the
Didn't you clean it
firewall.
last time?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
only put like 10,000 miles on it.
Like 15. God, I got 15,000 miles out of this thing since last rebuild.
That's not.
That wasn't even a rebuild. That was a tear down. Oh shit, it's not broken. Put it back together.
Is that what this is gonna be?
No.
Probably.
No.
Not fucking seeing anything.
I'm just gonna take the bearings out. Yeah.
Nick, you can pull them bolts out.
What are these ones?
Yeah. Just clean the hands.
Why do you clean your hands up?
Yeah, this is a dirty fucking truck. What?
take a video of you shitting your brains out or something?
No, I left it
You
here.
left the camera here.
I told.
Oh,
Tyson
hey,
did.
you can go on the, all the rods are fine.
Oh, they're all fine?
Yeah.
Cool.
No, not cool.
Why?
Because that means that's fucked.
Oh.
Doing something else's dick.
I really don't think that these look this bad. I know it's normal wear, but I don't think they looked that bad last time you pulled the bearings.
They definitely look like that last time.
Yeah.
Did they?
Everything looked the exact same, I think.
Except there was less.
The Nada's looking all.
Fuck the Nada, bro.
Well, it's because you didn't change the gasket.
This was a $120 oil pump.
I'm gonna reuse it.
Fuck yeah, it's brand new!
Fuck your boot, right?
Fuck, my boot!
And the block.
Yeah, fuck the block.
And the
What
floor.
color should he paint the block?
Black?
I said orange.
What color do you think that this idiot said that he wants to paint?
Black?
No.
White.
That'd be pretty sick, huh?
And then I told him he should ceramic coat it. And
I'm
it
gonna
sounded
paint match
exciting.
it to my truck.
Typical paint man.
Honestly, that'd be pretty cool.
Block and the rest of your engine bay looks like that.
I'm gonna fucking clean it, okay?
Are you?
Yeah. I'm actually gonna wipe down the
Didn't you clean it
firewall.
last time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You only put like 10,000 miles on it.
Like 15. God, I got 15,000 miles out of this thing since last rebuild.
That's not.
That wasn't even a rebuild. That was a tear down. No shit, it's not broken. Put it back together.
Is that what this is gonna be?
No.
Probably.
No.
Not fucking seeing anything.
I'm just gonna take the bearings out.
Nick, you can pull them bolts out.
What are these?
Yeah.
Just clean my hands.
Why do you clean your hands then?
Yeah, this is a dirty fucking truck. Ah! My French model.
Pulled it too early. I told you.
Thanks.
God.
We're great. That's probably the worst one.
No.
No.
Really?
The first one is the worst.
Yeah, number one.
Number one was the
Look,
worst.
Tyson.
What?
How do they look?
Oh, they're junk. I don't know. They look fine. Well, they look 220,000 miles.
They don't look that bad for 200,000 miles.
See, I'll agree with Tulo. He's so smart.
Is it a 5 or is it a backwards 3?
I'm only smart the
Five.
day I agree with you guys.
Yes.
5-0?
Yeah.
50?
You got a Ford engine in this?
Even though 6.0 stamped right on the block, right in the front. Definitely doesn't say 6.0 right here.
I don't know.
Right there.
Nope. No clue.
So what's the verdict? It's
Hey,
fine?
this is the original bearings.
Are they really? Or are they just Delco bearings?
Or they're GM bearings. They said GM on them. A-500.
And the pistons are fine.
Are they?
The
What
sidewalls and everything? I forgot what those
Is
are
it
called.
piston slap that you're hearing?
I mean, it sounded like a knot.
Shit, which one's the front? This way, right? That's the front.
No.
Tyson was the one that
This
said
side.
that.
No. Yeah. Oh
This
wait.
side- this side's the front, so you put it over there, you
Yeah.
dumb
No, you're
fuck.
right. You're right. You're right. Switch it.
Switch it.
For the thrust bearings in cylinder 3. Or spot bearings.
What?
The thrust bearing, it's straight in the middle.
Yep.
Fuck, now I kind of need a new crank because the. Should I still go by the guy's block?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it right.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a different type of video. It's more trying to test out the time-lapse capabilities of the GoPro. The second one turned out really nice. The first one, not so much. I have to edit that. I mean, you guys have obviously already saw it, but I still got to go home and edit it. I hope it turned out good because I screwed up the settings on the GoPro. The first one only took pictures. The second one was the actual video that it made through the time lapse. But if you guys enjoyed this type of video, please comment down below, let me know. Leave a like, that helps me a lot, telling me, hey, yeah, we kind of like this type of video, especially when I start doing stuff to this car. I just spoil my next video. But anyways, when I start doing stuff to other cars and shit, this Corvette just completely like ignored me. But anyways, but yeah, let me know if you like that type of video. we really didn't do much. The cam and crank is bad. They're gonna try and swap that out. But like I said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below any suggestions. Check out that vlog, you're gonna love it. And I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.